Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best body repair dent removal tools is probably one of the most essential tools every car owner should have in their arsenal. Today, we're going to take a look at the top 5 best dent pullers on the market. Now let's take a look at the top 5 best dent pullers we choose for you. Number 5. Compared to other products, our spot puller creates small welding spots with high strength, without damaging the back metal coating or paint surface. Equipped with 2 welding guns, you can easily switch between functions, reducing time and improving work efficiency. The side holes provide quick heat dissipation without a fan, preventing overheating and ensuring high efficiency in your work. Choose from 7 welding modes and adjust power levels on the digital panel with automatic and manual switching for simple and time-saving operation. Complete accessories stored in a portable toolbox to solve common dent problems with multiple welding modes, making it convenient to use. What we like. If you are looking for a dent puller with small welding traces and high strength, you should consider this. With 2 main welding guns, it reduces the time and energy for switching the guns, improving work efficiency. It also has an efficient cooling system and automatic overheating protection, ensuring rapid heat dissipation and preventing overheating. What people say?
Did a great job. The wavy wire bonded very well. Used it with a comilome that was anchored to a wall to pull out a deep dent. This is a high-quality machine worth every penny spent. I had a project that I put off for a while because I could not find a machine that could handle the work needed. Finally, I tried this product and it worked like magic. It perfectly pulled out all dents. I'm a body guy, so I've already used this to do an entire car, which has about 50 dings and dents.
Number 4. Our dent removal kit is made of high-class alloy and plastic material that won't break under pressure. It's durable and long-lasting. Our innovative tools can remove any dent, big or small, with a T-bar puller for large dents and a bridge puller for medium and small dents. Our car dent repair tools are easy to use and understand, passing the mechanics test. Save time and money compared to auto repair shops. Our Dent Repair Kit uses an ergonomic design for leverage. The bridge dent puller allows for quick and efficient adjustment to suit the dents. Our dent puller kit includes everything you need for dent removal, from glue tabs to a hot melt glue gun. It's a comprehensive set for all your dent repair needs. What we like? If you need an exceptional dent removal kit made of high-class alloy and plastic, this one won't disappoint. It is equipped with every gear required to fix dents of any size or shape. With its user-friendly design and easy operation, it surpasses auto repair shops. Get professional results right at home. Professional. What people say?
Works good for dents that don't have sharp edges. Suction power is good, but don't think you can repair large sharp dents. Easy to use and has several different attachments for different size dents. Stores away easily. Nice buy for the price. You don't have to be a professional to use it. The product functioned as advertised to pull a dent from my fender. The product arrived on time and in good condition. It works well and has a nice design. The seller was responsive and helpful when I had a question. I would recommend this product and this seller to anyone.
Number 3. Easily remove dents with this tool by placing the suction cup on the object surface and pulling the handle up. This suction cup dent puller is versatile, perfect for removing car dents, moving furniture, glass, tile, and more. Made of durable ABS material, natural rubber, and strong metal core for strong suction without scratching surfaces. Ergonomically designed with single-stroke pump operation and one-hand buckle design for lasting and effective dent removal. What we like. For easy and effective car dent repair, this dent puller is the ideal tool. It can be used for moving flat objects, making it versatile. Made of durable ABS material, natural rubber, and a strong metal core, it offers excellent quality and suction. Whether you're repairing car dents, glass, screens, or lifting objects, this is a reliable choice. What people say?
Bought this and it popped it right out. It didn't get the small space, but it did pull it out on the wide space in the door panel. IT was delivered on time, holds very well to the surface so you can give it a good pull.
Number 2. Experience an upgraded design with adjustable height and width for more effective dent repair. Thicker glue tabs and a unique arched bridge design ensure durability, and prevent additional damage. Choose from 16 different size tabs and 5 different size tabs for versatile dent removal, ideal for car dents, hail damage, and various sheet metal processing tasks. Simple operation suitable for anyone, even beginners. Save time and money with quick dent removal that can be completed in just half an hour. Includes a hot glue gun, strong glue sticks, plastic bridge dent puller, golden dent lifter, and pry tools. Certified for durability and strength, providing reliable performance. Safety features include a built-in fuse in the glue gun and padded rubber feet to protect the original paint. Quality materials and excellent customer service guarantee a hassle-free experience. What we like? With its upgraded design, this dent puller offers more flexibility and effectiveness. It is perfect for car dent removal, hail damage, and sheet metal processing. Suitable for anyone to operate, it saves time and money. Plus, the included accessories are strong and durable. Experience safe and efficient dent repair with this kit. What people say?
There are a bunch of different pieces in this kit to be suited towards any size dent, and the products are very well built. Took 15 minutes to get both dents taken out. In the photos you can see that you can't even notice the dents anymore. The product comes with a million attachments of various sizes. They are round, oval, square. Comes with 2 different color glue sticks, black and clear. The clear seemed to work best for my application. Definitely try doing this when the weather is above 50 degrees and apply the glue quickly to the dent after you put it on the attachment. Take your time and go slow. At first it will seem like it's not working, to the point where you will want to give up. Just keep trying different attachments. Make sure to follow the guide included with the product. It tells you which attachment approximately for the size of the dent. Like I said earlier, took about 8 to 10 tries for a dime-sized dent in a very annoying spot, and I went through 2 glue sticks, but the results speak for themselves. Awesome product overall.
Number 1. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this dent puller kit is designed for simplicity. Just follow the instructions carefully before getting started. Easily remove dents without damaging the paint. The dent puller and lifter are made of rubber, ensuring the original paint remains intact. Equipped with professional adhesive glue that stays securely in place during use, the quick melt glue tool speeds up the process, saving you time. Our set includes 2 big puller lines for larger dents. The remover can be turned into a short T-bar puller with 50 glue tabs, solving most dent issues. Perfect for repairing auto dents, door dings, hail damage, and more. Works efficiently on metal surfaces like automobiles, refrigerators, and washing machines. What we like? Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this dent puller kit is suitable for everyone. It guarantees paintless repair without damaging the original paint. Equipped with professional glue sticks and tools, it ensures secure and quick dent removal. With the included T-bar puller and glue tabs, it can solve most dent problems with ease. What people say?
Good paintless repair kit. It worked perfect on 3 out of 4 dents. The 4th one is a ding in a little more difficult position on the body line. This little kit did the job as expected. Some of the tools are sturdy and should last a long time, while others were flimsy. If you are purchasing this to do light work, then it is perfect.
You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.